It is tough to believe that in India alone, 300 million people are without electricity.
When you live in darkness, you face a number of problems.
जब पहले हमारे घर में बिजली नहीं थी तो 6 बजे ही काम बंद हो जाता था।
और बच्चे भी पढ़ नहीं सकते लाइट के ऊपर।
अंधेरे में जंगल में जाने के लिए डर लगता मुझे, किधर जाने के लिए।
सूरज ढल गया तो धंधा नहीं कर सकते उसके बाद।
केरोसिन का जो जलाते थे वो जब सुबह उठते थे तो पूरे नाक में भर जाता था।
Earlier there used to be kerosene lantern, but they are so unhealthy, expensive and dangerous.
It's equivalent to smoking 25 cigarettes a day.
You can't use a kerosene lamp when it's windy, right? When it's rainy, you can't.
So we went on the drawing board and identified how we can solve this problem. So that's where the designing of a solar lamp started. The independent, renewable and pollution-free source of light. We got the feedback what kind of lamp they are looking at, how many hours it should work.
So this is the model Ace 2. It is very uniquely designed, you can see.
You just keep the panel on the roof.
And you can hang the bulb on the hook or on the door.
You can simply keep it on the stand wherever you need and whenever you need. Within the same year, our very first solar lamp reached people living across 5 states in India.
We realized that for many activities we do not require high intensity light. With that in mind, we have allowed user to control the intensity of light so that it lasts longer.
I press twice, it starts blinking.
ये टॉर्च लाइट है, मेरे को डर नहीं लगता, इससे जानवर भाग जाते हैं।
इसका एक रिमोट भी है कि हम कहीं भी बैठ के इसे चालू कर सकते हैं।
We use the best material to increase the durability of the lamps, and they are actually unbreakable.
ये खराब नहीं होता और इसका एक फायदा है कि काफी सस्ता है और किसी भी हालत में चलता है।
Like this baby called Fizzy, especially made for doing intricate work or reading.
सोलर लाइट अभी आ गया, खाना बनाने के लिए तकलीफ नहीं होती है। आमदनी नहीं थी, अभी फ्रीजर लाइट दी हुई है तो अच्छा फायदा हो रहा है, आमदनी आ रही है घर पे।
सबसे सूरज लाइट है तो हम धंधा कर सकते हैं।
किधर भी ले जा सकते हैं ना उसको। जैसे बिजली नहीं थी तो सुबह ही पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती थी, अभी रात को भी पढ़ सकते हैं।
But this is not enough. You can light up a study table or you can light up a stall. But how do you light up an entire house?
A woman who is making food in the kitchen, a kid who is studying inside another room, and there is one more light in the veranda.
There is also a USB port wherein you can charge your mobile phones.
So that's how the home lighting system gets completed.
Even now, after bringing lights into the homes of 1 million people, we constantly look for new ways of reaching the end customers.
And we are available across various digital platforms as well as our website.
And inviting everybody to light up India together.
जब बत्ती जलेगी